So we are going to discuss about exercise 4.2. So here we are going to discuss how to create this tap light dome. So here I will show you the final output. Here is the final output of the model that we are creating. Okay. So you can see uh, this is the final model. So to create this model, we have used both extrude, dome, shell, and extrude cut for basic 3D modeling features. So we will start the model from the ground up. Uh, so go. So we are creating a new part. Click OK here, and under here, so we are changing this to again IPS system. So inch, pound, second system. So go to this one. Uh, so click on this box and change the accuracy to 3 digits. This one, and for this length properties as well. And click OK here. So now we are on the modeling environment or the part modeling environment. So as the first step, we have to create this extruded boss. So we have to create a sketch in the top plane with a diameter of 4.7 and with a thickness of the 0.375. So select top plane and go to this sketch command. So now we are creating a sketch on this top plane. Go to this circle and click circle here. Then we have to draw this dimension tool. So here it is 4.7. So 4.7 inches and click OK here. And the next part is we have to create these features, extrude boss. And the next part is we have to create the disease, so give the line condition 375. Uh, Click OK here, 0.375 and click OK. So this is, so you can actually name features. So you can click here and again with a pause, again if you click, so you can edit this name. So we can name it as dome base. Uh, and the next part is to create the dome feature. Okay. So here we have to go to this insert features dome. So you have to select the face and give the dome height as 1.2. Um, so I think you have to go to this insert uh, features. Under these features, we have this dome command. So click dome and we have to select the face. So we are selecting this face and this is, we are setting the height as 1.25. And click OK. So you have this, the dome feature. So the next part is we have to make this part hello part. So to do that, we are using the shell command. So so to so we have to move this rotate this unit to get to see the bottom face, and click shell command, and here the you set the cell distance as to 0.075, and this is where you remove the face. So you can view a preview and click OK here. Okay. So now we have this feature. Um, so now we have to create the lower part of this system. So for that we need to create the bottom part. Uh, so you have to create this dome. Uh, so you can select this face, or what you can do is, so you hit X on your keyboard to activate this face filter. So now it only select faces, and select this face and click sketch here, and go to this convert entity. So we need to convert this edge, the outer edge. Click OK, and then so select offset entities, select here, and then uh, the next part is we have to set the offset distance to 0.2. So when select, we have to select the outside edge and click OK to finish. Okay, so here this is 0.2. Click OK, and then go to the extruded boss. Okay, so and make uh, uh, extrude boss with these features. So here we are going to select these features. So it is going, it should go up. So for that we need to reverse its direction. So the value is 0.075. 0.075. Click OK here and click OK. Yeah. Now you can see it is so we have extruded command, and to remove these face filters, so please hit X to remove it. So the next part is you have to create this sketch of the hollow shafts. Okay. So to create this, we need to create these sketches. Okay. So what you have to do is, so we have to select the top face of the lip and click the sketch here. Then we need to construct this construction here. Okay. Mm, so first we will create a circle. So click on this origin and give the diameter of 5.05, and click on this created circle and make it a construction geometry. Okay, so you can do like this. And then on this line, we have to create center lines. Uh, so first create this center line. So starting from this origin and placing on the first quadrant of this circle. And then we have to place four other center lines. So we will place those things arbitrarily. Uh, so the next part. So the next part. So likewise, we will create four center lines. Center line tool. Select this line. And again, you can create dimensions. So click here and click this line and give a value. So here it is 40 degrees. And click here and this line and this line. So this is 43 degrees. Then this line and this line. So this is 53, 53, and this one is 57. So this line and this line is 57. So then again draw a circle line. So click on these create circles. So arbitrarily create required circles. Okay. Dimension one circle like this. So here this is 0.23, 0.23. And then after that, creating this circle. So select these circles, select all the circles and make them equal. So it will have equal circles. So now go to features, go to extrude cut, and then select through all to remove all the materials. So this is the final output of the uh, part. So finally, we need to add materials. Go to this material part, right click on it, and then edit material. So under plastics, select ABS as your material. So select ABS as your materials and apply and close it. Okay, so now we have the final output like this. Okay, so here we have created this part or this model by using four basics elements. So basic features: doom base, extruded boss, doom shell, and extruded cut. Only four basic features. So likewise, so you can create many complex shapes by using these 3D features. Okay, so you have to have an imagination. Uh, so imagination to select these tools and craft what is on your mind. Okay,